The Delhi government has tightened vehicular pollution controls amid severe air quality, bringing renewed focus on Bharat State BS emission norms. Non-BS6 private vehicles registered outside Delhi have been barred from entering the city. Fuel station will now sell fuel only to vehicles with a valid pollution under control certificate (PUCC). Non-compliant vehicles face a fine of ₹20,000, while even BN6 vehicles can be fined ₹10,000 if they lack a valid PUCC. These measures target emissions from older, more polluting vehicles as part of efforts to curb worsening air pollution in the capital. Bharat State BS emission norms. Bharat State BS emission norms are India's legally enforced standard to regulate air pollutants emitted by motor vehicles, framed by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change and implemented by Central Pollution Control Board. These norms are broadly aligned with European emission standards Euro norms and apply to all new vehicles manufactured and sold in the country. Evolution of Bharat State norms. India has progressively tightened vehicular emission standard to address worsening urban air pollution. BS1 introduced nationwide in 2000. BS2 2001 Delhi first nationwide by 2005, BS3 nationwide by 2010, BS4 nationwide by 2017, BS6 implemented directly from BS4 in April 2020, skipping BS5. Pollutants regulated. BS norms prescribe upper limits for key vehicular pollutants including carbon monoxide CO, hydrocarbon, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter. Each successive BS standard tightens these limits significantly. Other features: advanced emission control technologies such as diesel particulate filters, selective catalytic reduction, on-board diagnostic, more realistic testing aligned closer to real driving conditions. Significance of Bharat State norms. Public health protection by reducing pollutants linked to respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Environmental benefits including lower smoke formation and black carbon emissions. Technological upgradation of India's automobile industry. Global alignment improving export competitiveness of Indian vehicles. Why Delhi has mixed standard vehicles. Delhi's mixed BS fleet exists because the capital adopted stricter norms earlier than the rest of India due to severe air pollution. Delhi implemented BS2 in 2001, BS3 in 2005 and BS4 in 2010 well ahead of national timelines. Although BS6 became mandatory nationwide in April 2020, vehicles from other states with older standards continue to enter the city, resulting in a mix of emission norms on Delhi's roads. Why older vehicles contribute more to air pollution? Older vehicles emit significantly higher levels of harmful pollutants because they lack advanced emission control technology. Diesel vehicles in particular release large amounts of nitrogen oxides and fine particulate matter, major contributors to smog and respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. They also emit volatile organic compounds that form secondary pollutants in the atmosphere. In addition, black carbon from diesel exhaust not only damages public health but also accelerates climate warming, making older vehicles especially polluting. Scale of older, high polluting vehicles in Delhi NCR. A significant share of vehicles in Delhi NCR remains highly polluting. Government assessment indicate that nearly 37% of vehicles in the region comply only with the older Bharat Stage 1, 2 or 3 norms, making them major contributor to the air quality crisis. BS6 versus BS4. What change in emission standards? BS6 emission norms impose far tighter pollution limits than BS4. For petrol vehicles, nitrogen oxide limits are reduced by about 25%. For diesel vehicles, nitrogen oxide emission must fall by nearly 68%, while particulate matter emissions are cut by around 82%. BS6 vehicles also run on much cleaner, low sulfur fuel, enabling advanced emission control technology to operate effectively. In addition, BS6 introduces more stringent testing procedures closer to real-world driving conditions to ensure lower on-road emissions.